Hey guys, we're now in my mom's aunt's garage looking today at the Stanley garage door opener. It is a chain drive, but I'm not going to use the wall button today. Well, now let's open it up. A little bit slow. That's their SUV reversed in their garage. A little bit noisy. Yeah, their El Camino is out there, and I see their Toyota Tundra. Oh no, there's no Sienna out there, but as you can see, 2 lights are working. But I gotta go. This is their Chrysler out there. This is their garage door opener. Now let's close it. Really noisy. It's just their sound of that thing. I'm not sure what is it called. As you can see, their Chrysler's in their garage. Is reversed in their garage. It does have their 3rd row seat in their garage. My cousin reversed, my uncle reversed it. My uncle's name is Tim. It's Uncle Tim. Uncle Tim reversed the Chrysler in their garage. There's no, well, the Kia goes in the garage, but Jamie has it. But our cousin Jamie has the Kia. The Kia was going in the garage, and it's also reversed. Yeah, but it's not in the garage. Jamie has it. Well, see you later. Bye.